Welcome back to another video. Today we got pretty much the power tools from Home Depot. So as you guys know, they are running a sale. It's the Spring Black Friday sale, and also they're discounting like power tools and lawn equipment and all that. So I will definitely take a look at the ads that they're running, and I do have a couple videos on my channel about the Spring Black Friday ads from Lowe's and Home Depot. So, alright, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started with these deals. Alright, the first one, we got the 10 tool from Milwaukee M18 18 volts for $5.99. You do get 9 tools here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get 9 tools, a tool bag, and 2 batteries. So, and 2 tool bags actually, not one. You get 2 tool bags for $600. So that is a great deal. Another good deal here is the Rigid 18 volt lithium brushless 5 tool combo kit. 4.0 amp hour battery, 2.0 amp hour battery, charger and tool bag for $259. So you get pretty much 5 tools here. Well, 4 basically, if you're not counting the flashlight. This deal here, the Milwaukee M18 18 volt lithium brushless combo kit drill and impact combo with two 2 amp hour batteries and a pack out case. This was last week or the week, yeah, about a week ago. It was $149. I did put it on my channel, so always remember to ring the bell and subscribe for the latest tool deals. But this is not a bad deal, guys, because it's still a brushless combo. So $197.77. It's still a great deal. It's not the newest Milwaukee, but it's one of the newer ones. Brushless, obviously, great tool. For $197, even the pack out kit is like $70 or $80. So, and plus you get 2 batteries. So I think that's a great deal. You got the Rigid 18 volt lithium cordless drill driver impact driver, 2 tool combo kit with 2 1.5 powers batteries, charge and 2 bag, $119. I think this is a great deal too if you're DIY or if you're just starting on the trade and want a reliable tool. Rigid is a great tool to start, especially for that price, $119. Then again, this is not your brushless. This is your brushed tools for $119. Great deal, great drills there. Let's see here. If you got $1,000, this is a good one too. But I will definitely get the one on the top. This one's a better deal. Much better deal there. For this one, Joby 18 volt in 1 cordless 6 tool combo kit with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. It's a great deal for a DIY, somebody that's just does light work around the house, maybe small projects or projects, pretty much boxes and whatever, woodworking, whatever you want to do. This is a great starter kit. I do have something similar to this. I have the brushless version of this, and it works real good. I love it. Now this is deal still here. The Milwaukee M12 12 volt lithium cordless drill and impact driver combo kit, 2 tool with 2 free M12. So you get 4 batteries, 2 tools, a charger, and a bag for $129. That is a smoking deal. If you guys are looking into getting into a platform and you don't want to get into the 18 volts, 12 volts, Milwaukee is a great tool. You got the Ryobi 15 amp 10 inch sliding compound miter saw with the laser, $129. Again, that's a great that's a good saw for the money. As you can see, it has 4.5 stars, so almost 5. Let's see here, $449 for this. It's okay. 5 tool combo kit for $299. Let's see here. This is another great Another great deal. Well, it's not the best deal because obviously I told you guys that we've seen this brushless for 149, but still it's a great deal. The older tools. This is the brush version for 159. You get two batteries, a charger, and a bag, and two tools for 159. Basically, if you want to get started on this platform and don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a great setup there. Now this is a real complete setup here. Rigid 18 volt lithium ion cordless 5-tool combo kit with two 4 amp hour batteries, 18 volt charger, contractor bag, $299. So this is a great starter kit right here. Pretty much it includes everything you need. 5 tools, two big batteries, charger, contractor bag. So it does include the saw, the circular saw, reciprocating saw, impact, and drill, charger, and a bag. So two batteries. Let's see here to feel that this is the brushless version of the ones we saw above. Still not a bad deal, but then again, for this price, why not just get a full size, M18 Milwaukee brushless, rigid like the one here, like this one. At that price, why not? Let's see here if we got any more. Still not a bad deal. You get 5 tools, two 3 amp hour batteries, rapid charger, and a tool bag for $299. Yeah, that's a really good deal. Makita LXT lithium. It's a great deal there. It's not a bad deal here, guys. Shockwave Impact Duty titanium drill bit set, 15 piece for $19.97. I think there is some more deals. So go to the store. I'm gonna see if I can do a video of the Home Depot and see if I can get those deals out. Show you guys what I mean. But yeah, there's other deals a little bit lower than that. I believe for $15 or $10. I can't remember. But there's other deals for that. Next page. This is the older model. Yeah, this is the 85. Still not a bad deal, guys. 20 volt max lithium ion cordless drill driver impactor 2 and 1.3 amp. These are small batteries, but still, it's a good starter kit. If you're a DIY, this is gonna do good for you. If you like DeWalt, so if you want bits, you get pretty much each set for $25, so $49.97. I think this is not a bad deal. You get the Milwaukee M8 M12 12 volt lithium cordless combo, 4 tool with 3 1.5 amp hour batteries, 1 charger, a tool bag. So you get a reciprocating saw. What is this? A Dremel? Click on it. For $199. Yeah, it's like a Dremel tool. Yeah, it's a drill impact driver, reciprocating saw, and a rotary tool. So you're getting all that for $199. That is a great deal. You get 3 batteries. Yeah, that is a great deal for $199. I would definitely recommend it. See here, we got some more. This is a brushless. Yeah, it does include 3 amp hour. So then again, you're getting a big battery with this one. This is a brush. It should be a brushless model. Oh, it's the DCF885. Yeah, this is not a brushless. This is a brushed model. It's still a great drill. If you're looking for a great impact drill, there you go. This is $19. Shockwave 45 piece. Steel driver bit set. Not bad. $2.99 for that. You're getting the brushless. Yeah, this is brushless. Not a bad deal if you need a drill. Rigid 18 volt lithium cordless 2-speed half-inch compact dirt driver with two 1.5 hour batteries and a tool bag for $89. It's not a bad deal. Just gonna try to speed it up. Try to cover as much as I can. $169 for that, just for that. But yeah, they include the case and they're selling you the case there. This is not a bad deal. I love Bosch. Bosch Daredevil High Carbon Steel Standard Spade Bit Set. 12 piece for $9.97. It's a great deal. These Bosch bits, I love them. That's pretty much all I use, just Bosch. Well, I try to get Bosch, because I do have some Ryobi and stuff, but they don't last as long. That's just the way it is. Let's see if we got some more. We got some batteries in a charger. That's for $229. That's an okay deal. It's not bad. You get Ryobi 18 volt lithium, 2 yeah. Well, actually, I believe I seen the 6 amp hour batteries for like $119. I think that's a way better than this, but still, it's not too bad. Yeah, it looks like that's it. I'm not seeing any other deals here. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.